In this video,
I will show you how to create a project using the one-step classification template. Imagine this scenario. I have some images of makeup and skincare products by 3 beauty brands, Chanel, Lancome, and Shiseido, and I would like to have these images labeled by their brands so I can sort them. Here I create a project by clicking Image and choose the one-step classification template and click Start to Build. When you click on the rectangle, the editing section shows up and I can change the question from how many people in the image to manufactured by which beauty brand. And the options are Chanel, Lancome, and Shiseido. This template only has 3 options for the classification, but in reality, if you have more or less options for your task, you can customize this easily just by clicking the Add or Delete button here. Now check that everything is correct. You can also come back and edit this project if there are any changes that you need to make. For now, click Save, and we are done with this example for one-step classification.